Here we'll be discussing the keyword method of memory improvement. This is a highly effective and versatile memory strategy that's especially useful for learning new vocabulary. This includes new vocabulary in a foreign language that you may be currently learning, so it really can improve your language learning success. It's important to note that while this is a great way to remember the meaning of new words, it won't help you remember the word in the first place. In language learning, this is usually not an issue when trying to understand someone though, since they will offer the word which should trigger the keyword method. Apart from helping you remember what newly learned words mean, it's also great for remembering core facts about something. So how does it work? Well, step 1 is to take the new or foreign word and identify a word in your own language that you already know that sounds like the word or like some part of it. One good example is the word radius, which is the length between the centre and edge of a circle, and radish, which is, of course, a type of vegetable. You could then imagine an image of a radish hanging from a string, pinned to the centre of a circle. So when you hear the word radius, it will remind you of radish, which will remind you of that memorable image. In this way, you can remember the meaning of the word easily. For foreign language words, you can do the same. For example, the Spanish word for hat is sombrero, which sounds like the English word sombre. So what you could do is imagine a sad person standing in the rain wearing a hat. In this way, you form a unique and memorable connection to the meaning of the word that you are unlikely to forget. Make good use of your imagination when creating these keyword connections. The stranger or funnier the keyword you come up with is, the least likely you are to forget it. If you've had a hard time coming up with these by yourself, it may be useful to come up with keywords along with a friend or fellow student. Since these are not always easy to come up with, it's better to invest keyword creation time only for those words that you really have difficulty remembering the meaning of. The image that you associate with the new word and related keyword can actually be more than an image if needed. Instead of a single image, such as a sombre man wearing a hat, you could make a short and memorable story instead. For example, the hat shop was very sombre when John went there today, since the owner's favourite cat had died. By making little stories like this, you can really ensure that you remember the meaning of the new word.